Hey guys, Handyman Phil here, looking at the Equigear EGLF2, and we'll be talking about some of the adjustments that you can make after you've installed this bad boy on the wall. So as you can see here, we got a situation where our TV just is not wanting to stay where we want it to be from a tilt perspective. So we'll go ahead and we'll take advantage of the tilt knob that's on the back of this guy. Set your tilt to where you want it to be. And then again, this one's kind of cool. You go ahead and you can go up and over. Just keep turning, right? When you get to the bottom, you can push it up. Just keep turning until you get it good and snug. Again, if you're worried about it hitting the back of the TV, a couple ways you can deal with that is, again, you can put spacers on the back of your TV to help ensure that, again, it doesn't hit the back of that TV there. Otherwise, again, you can certainly just back it off just a little bit. You still got it good and snug there, but it's not gonna hit the back of that TV when you got it retracted in. No longer tipping forward, backwards, nothing like that. We're all set to go there. Something that you might wanna consider is if you're doing some leveling, right? As you can see, it kind of just does its own thing. Maybe you got it off to one side and unfortunately it's tipping one way or it's not ideal for your situation. So we'll take a look at the post-install leveling as well. Use the included hex key that comes with the EGLF2 itself. And come on back here, and there's two screws on the back of the TV mount itself, right here on the bottom, that you can go ahead and simply loosen up. So again, use that hex key, right? Loose enough, not super loose, but again, loose enough that you can obviously easily make your adjustment, set it back to where you want it to be, righty-tighty. Tighten them down. Do both of them, right? And as you can see here, get back to where you want it to be. It no longer has that tilting issue, should be good and snug and exactly as you want it to be.